Today we will discuss the aberration astigmatism. Astigmatism is a type of aberration in which we get a straight line instead of point image. Instead of point image, when the off-axial object is present, instead of getting point image of that object, we will get a straight line which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Let me discuss the astigmatism by using a Frey diagram. This is convex lens, and let me show the two different planes present in the convex lens. If I will cut the convex lens vertically, I will get a plane like this. This is called tangential plane. This is called tangential plane. If I will cut this convex lens horizontally, I will get one plane is called sagittal plane. This is the sagittal plane. If the ray coming from the point object approaches from the tangential plane, after refraction, it will meet a point T, and the ray that is coming from sagittal plane, after refraction, it meet at point S. Here we get two different point of refraction. If I will keep the screen at T position, we will get a image IT in horizontal plane, or called a sagittal plane. If I will keep the screen on S, I will get a image on tangential plane called IS. This is IT and this is IS, a tangential line and a sagittal line. And if I will change the position of the screen from T to S, the straight line will open and it will give a elliptical image where the major axis is parallel to the horizontal line. If I will move the screen further, at middle RS position, the ellipse is converted to the circle, and the circle is called circle of least confusion. If I will move the screen further, we will get a elliptical image. The circle is again converted to the elliptical image where the major axis is parallel to the vertical plane. And if I will change the screen to the IS position, I will get a straight line in a perpendicular plane called IS. As the difference between T and S, is called astigmatic difference, where T image and S image, IT and IS, both are mutually perpendicular to each other. The IT is lie in a sagittal plane, IS is lie in a vertical plane. These two planes are perpendicular to each other. At the middle, at RS position, we get the circle of least confusion. Now, the types of astigmatism. There are two types of astigmatism. One, positive type astigmatism. Second, negative type astigmatism. In positive type astigmatism, if the image S is placed at right of T position, then this is called positive type astigmatism. If S is placed at the left position to the T position, T-type image, then this type of astigmatism is called negative type astigmatism. The convex lens produces positive type astigmatism. The concave lens produces negative type astigmatism. How to remove the astigmatism? As we produce combinedly convex lens and concave lens situated little distance away from each other, we can remove the aberration astigmatism. The question will be there, what is astigmatism? Define astigmatism. Discuss the astigmatism aberrations by using the ray diagrams, the types of astigmatism and its removal. Thank you.